Oo, kalalabas lang namin. Kaya lang problema, pagbalik namin mamayang gabi. What? Ito naman ang pagbalik natin, Habibti. Ayan, pababa kami ngayong oras na? 4:46 PM. Ang traffic, nanay.
It's normal.
Oo, what? It's so much more traffic. Yeah, kuya. Look, oh. See? Tita Linlin house is traffic going up there. But going down, it's okay. But maybe later in SNR, in Qualimed, there's a traffic. Maybe. Or in Calax. What you think, kuya? Ah?
Traffic.
You don't know? Oh, dito, wala na. Si kuya. So, bababa kami. Punta namin si Lola Mami. Tsaka madami kaming kukunin dun sa bahay din. Scrub. Mga ganon. Tsaka gonna clean Tita Linlin house. Kuya Yusuf clean Tita Linlin house. Yeah, kuya? Wow.
Kuya will gonna scrub
The floor?
yeah.
What?
And the
Ay, wala nang traffic pababa. Baka mamaya nito sa sa may Qualimed, YP, yung pa SNR. Traffic dun lagi eh. Oo. Pero hindi naman kami aabot doon kasi sa may Calax mag-exit na kami. Kaya lang ang traffic doon sa Mamplasan after ng Calax. 'Di ba, Habibti?
yeah.
Yung malaking roundabout doon papuntang SM. So, that's the story of our journey. Bye-bye, guys. 4:50 na PM local Philippine time.
Wave.